back to Brown Love. This is me Sharon back again with a new video. I have done so much shopping on Nykaa. Nykaa का pink sale चल रहा था and there was so many sales going on that I could not miss it. So today this is gonna be, as you guys can know by the title itself, that this is a Nykaa haul. I also had a thing in my mind that when I'm shopping, I want to make something like a basic makeup collection for a beginner, and the budget was only 500. So trust me, basic makeup are 500. There are only going to be one item which will be exceeding the budget that I had. So I will not waste time. Let's get tuned to the haul. So this all are the things that I've shopped. Obviously मैंने इसमें से कुछ चीज़ें यूज़ की है क्योंकि I was running out from makeup and मुझे चाहिए था, तो कुछ चीज़ें निकाल ली है मैंने इसमें से. So जल्दी से मैं इसको अनबॉक्सिंग करती हूँ. So after the unbox, this is what I got for myself. So as the sale was going on, so I have literally got a very good deal, guys. So trust me, Nykaa, when they have sale, you are gonna get a bomb pricing and a bomb product which will be very reasonable. So let's quickly get into what I got for Christmas. So let's start with the haul and I'm gonna show the first thing that I bought. So makeup करने के पहले what do we use first? That is obviously the primer and all, but the base that we use is foundation, right? So I got a two foundation for myself. One is Little Light, which is from a brand called Wet n Wild. Another one is Maybelline Super Stay 24-hour coverage. So trust me, I have used this one and this is actually a repurchase. मुझे बहुत पसंद है इसका जो finish है, long lasting भी बहुत है. I like about this foundation is that it makes my skin very much clear and also gives me a real feel, I mean natural feel, not real, natural feeling. So you don't feel like it's too cakey, but then you also get a good coverage. So that's the reason I bought this one and I'll show you the shade. So the shade is like this, if you guys can see, and so it's a warm tone obviously, जो बहुत इंडियन स्किन टोन है उसको बहुत अच्छी तरीके से ये मैच करता है एंड फिनिशिंग भी बहुत अच्छा है. मैं इसको ब्लेंड कर देती हूँ. know that I'm wearing a foundation, you know, right? So look at the shine and look at the coverage and look how, you know, what do you call, even tone lag raha hai mera skin yahan pe. So on this hand I'm gonna try the another foundation which I got, that is Wet n Wild. So Wet n Wild is also a good brand. I have heard a lot about this particular foundation. So I obviously it was on sale, so मैंने सोचा चलो फाइनली खरीद ही लेते हैं एंड लेट्स एक्सप्लोर समथिंग न्यू ऑल्सो. ऑब्वियसली मेबेलिन में बहुत टाइम से मैं टिकी हुई हूँ, सो मैंने सोचा कि लेट्स स्विच इन टू सम अदर फाउंडेशन टू एंड आई एम स्वेटिंग लाइक अ पिग हियर, सो प्लीज गाइज डोंट माइंड, प्लीज फॉरगिव मी. दिस which is little lighter than my skin tone and the shade that I have bought is कहाँ पे लिखता है यार, इनको लिखा होता है इनका नाम. This is Classic Beige. So the shade is Classic Beige, if you guys can see, it's written here. So ये इस तरीके से है, थोड़ा लाइटर टोन में है. तो मैं एक्चुअली जो है ये वाला फाउंडेशन Maybelline के साथ मिक्स करके यूज़ करती हूँ, बट नॉट ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस. बट व्हेन आई नॉट ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस बट व्हेन आई फील कि मुझे थोड़ा you know, not fair but radiant दिखना है and I want to highlight certain points on my face, तब मैं ये यूज़ करती हूँ. So इसका finish भी ऐसा होता है. So after blending this is also good and this is also good, but Maybelline, you are my love. and I will never ever get bored with Maybelline brand. I also like the Fit Me from this particular brand, Maybelline. I've been using that also for a long time, but then I switched to this one and I do not regret. And then next I have concealer. So ये concealer बहुत trend में है. I mean बहुत सालों से ये concealer बहुत trend में है और मैं Fit Me का concealer use कर रही थी and I was running out. So I thought to repurchase it, but then I saw this one on a good offer. So pricing मुझे इतना याद नहीं है, but इसमें बहुत अच्छा खासा डिस्काउंट मिला था. So मैंने जल्दी से इसको कार्ट में डाल के बाय कर दिया. And let me just open this. So ये foundation, so this is a concealer instant age rewind from Maybelline New York. Looks like this. The color that I have bought is butterscotch, if I'm not wrong. So butterscotch, yeah. So to rotate, yeah, you have to rotate and then you have to apply it. I haven't used, so I don't know. Oh, the shade is like this, which is very good highlighter for under eye and whenever you want to like cover the pimple that I have right now. But I'm not going to do it right now. I will give you a product review if you guys want it. If you want it, please do not forget to comment. I will also tell you how I feel about this product and I'll show you how it looks on Indian skin tone. Then quickly let's get into the other thing that I bought is a mascara, a lifesaver. Trust me guys, it's so pigmented and the wand is also so nice. I love. Then I also got a liner. So this is from Maybelline New York. Can't help it, I'm just obsessed with this. Wing liner बनाना इसके साथ बहुत easy है. And trust me you guys will love this. This is the pigmentation which is very nice. This is just one stroke and I got this. So I love this one. You guys need to buy this. Trust me, बहुत अच्छा है. You will not regret it. And you will also get a perfect wing line with this. नहीं तो मोस्टली क्या होता है, हम लगाते हैं फिर वाइप करते हैं, लगाते हैं फिर वाइप करते हैं, पर इसके साथ ऐसा नहीं होगा. न्यू लॉन्ग लास्टिंग ड्रामा जेल. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो अ जेल लाइनर. सो इसका कुछ पैकेजिंग इस तरीके से होता है एंड इट ऑल्सो कम्स विथ अ ब्रश. सो दिस इज समथिंग what I got in this and I really love it because my friend used to own this and I have tried this when I was with her and I literally loved it and I had a plan of buying this for a very long time. Look at that. Look, my god, look at that. So intense black and this one is waterproof. This one is basically something that I'm gonna use when I'm going for a very long time party or maybe when I'm going to swimming or something like sport adventures कुछ करने वाले, तभी मैं ये वाला यूज़ करूँगी. So next product की ओर बढ़ते हैं जो कि है हाइलाइटर एंड ये मेरा बहुत फेवरेट है. आप लोग ने ये हर वीडियो में देखा होगा बट वो ख़त्म हो चुका था तो मैंने न्यू परचेज़ किया है. पहले वाला जो था वो मोल्टन गोल्ड था और ये वाला सॉरी पहले वाला मोल्टन गोल्ड नहीं था, रोज़ गोल्ड था. ये वाला मैंने ऑर्डर किया है मोल्टन गोल्ड, जो ये अच्छा लुक देता है. मैंने रिव्यू देखा था और मुझे दूसरा हाईलाइटर, वाओ लुक एट दैट, दिस इज सो फ्रिकिंग गॉर्जियस मैन. I love a highlighter, good highlighter. I love it. I like to highlight myself. I mean, I like to highlight my skin so much. मुझे बहुत healthy feeling लगता है जब मैं use करती हूँ highlighter. This shade is also nice and you know what? Let me just try it. I'm already wearing it, but wearing the other one that I have. But let me just, I don't know. I like it. I definitely like it. So another one is a bronzer that I bought from flower. It's a highlighter chubby and glisten up. It's a highlighter chubby and पता नहीं दोस्तों क्या हो गया मेरे इस पैकेज के साथ. ये पहले से ही ब्रोकन था, टूटा था. इट वॉज ऑलरेडी ब्रोकन एंड यू डोंट नो, मुझे मिनी हार्ट अटैक आ गया था बिकॉज मैं ये ब्रांड के बारे में बहुत सुना है एंड आई वॉन्टेड टू ट्राई. सो थोड़ा ये पिचक गया, मुझे बहुत बुरा लग रहा है इसके साथ ऐसा हुआ है, बट देन स्टिल इट्स ओके. सो मैं बहुत केयरफुली इसका आपको शेड दिखाती हूँ. सो इट्स ऑल्सो हाईलाइटर बट इट्स अ ब्रॉन्जर हाईलाइटर, सो quite good and it's a cream based product. So if you guys can see, I will not use this that much because I have a fear of breaking it again. So this is how it looks. Nice, right? I'm gonna keep this in a fridge or maybe something because I guess वो melt हो चुका है थोड़ा. So आगे बढ़ते हैं. Anyways, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Eyeshadow palette. I'm very crazy for eyeshadow palettes and I wanted some color in my life. No, sorry. I wanted color in my eyeshadow palette, so I bought this eyeshadow. And जब मैंने नायका पे देखा था तो इस पे बहुत अच्छा ऑफर चल रहा था. 2 eyeshadow कुछ 1000 के अंदर था. I don't know. So I bought another one. So this is a pack of 2 basically, जिसमें आपको कलर वाले आई शेडोज भी मिलते हैं. दिस इज फ्रॉम मेकअप रेवोल्यूशन and then you have a neutral one. So basically this is a color eyeshadow which is very vibrant and has a very vivid range of eyeshadows which is very nice. Like if you want to try something new with colors, you can definitely go for this. And then you have a neutral shade which is like a everyday shade. This is a neutral palette which is like this, which is glittery. You have glitters here, then nude brown tones and then nude colors, yellow, green, pink, which is nice. So I quite like this one. Whenever I want to go out and want to just jazz up a bit, I will definitely use this. I'll give you a swatch. Oh my god, look at the pigmentation, guys. So oh my god, are you guys kidding me? Like seriously, did you just saw it? Just so pigmented, right? I'm in love with this one. So let's try the gray one. This is silver, I mean. Oh my god, are you guys seeing this? Look at the shine and the pigmentation. Voila, I love it. Seriously guys, you guys need to purchase this. If you gotta purchase this whenever there is a sale on Nykaa or maybe on Myntra or anywhere, but you gotta buy this one. I totally recommend this. And now I'll give you a swatch of the color palette. So color palette looks like this. This is not shimmery actually. This is a matte color. So which are all the shades are in matte. So I'll swatch the blue one. I just hope it's also pigmented like the previous one. So okay, this is not that pigmented, I guess. Let me try on this hand because already I don't have a space here. So this is blue, the blue turquoise blue color. इसका पिगमेंटेशन जैसे कि आप लोग ने देखा पहले, ये इतना खास नहीं है. You have to go again and again, get the pigment and you can surely build it up. Build कर सकते हो आप इसको अच्छे से लेके हाथ में. So see, you can build it up. So काम चला सकते हैं, जुगाड़ कर सकते हैं हम. तो मैं ये वाला ज़्यादा रेकमेंड करूँगी, इसको नहीं, क्योंकि इसका पिगमेंटेशन इतना अच्छा नहीं है. ये इसी में बहुत अच्छा पिगमेंटेड आया था. सो अभी चलते हैं हम दूसरे प्रोडक्ट जो हमारा दूसरे कैटेगरी में जो है लिप्स, एंड ये हमारा लास्ट कैटेगरी है जिसमें मैंने 3 लिपस्टिक्स ऑर्डर किए हैं. सो 2 आर फ्रॉम Maybelline and 1 is from Nykaa. So who doesn't want a good red lipstick in their collection, right? So I have bought the red color from the brand from the range Super Stay Matte Ink. So I've got the red, which is 20, shade 20. So I'll just quickly swatch it in my right hand. This shade, I'll tell you guys, is love. Can you just see? It makes me feel like Christmas. Like Christmas. I love this one. I have used this one, and trust me, this looks so beautiful on Indian skin and a brown skin like me. I'm totally recommending this one if you guys are looking for a good red lipstick. So definitely ये वाला try करना. Then I bought something in nude. So मैंने वॉन्ड नहीं दिखाया ना, तो इसका वॉन्ड कुछ इस तरीके से है, लाइक दिस. सो अच्छे से प्रिसाइसली अप्लाई हो जाता है बिकॉज ऑफ द वॉन्ड. Then there is another shade which I got is from Maybelline itself. Shade का नाम I don't know, I don't remember. Shade का नाम यहाँ पे किधर लिखा नहीं है, but it is very cheap and it's a super matte, which is a nude color, nude brown shade you can say. See, and it looks very gorgeous in my lips. Trust me, if you guys are looking for a perfect like nude shade for Indian and a brown skin, you guys need to take this one because बहुत अच्छा दिखता है ये guys, बहुत ज़्यादा ही अच्छा दिखता है. Then after the matte, I thought to get some glossy lip gloss because gloss is in trend again and I don't want to miss the trend, right? So we don't want to miss the trend, right? So I got a gloss from Nykaa, and this one is Honey Boo, which is what I'm wearing right now. Looks very glossy, right? And I totally love this. And I'm sweating like, okay, please bear with me, okay? सो देखो गाइस, ये सब मैं कर रही हूँ आप लोगों के लिए, तो प्लीज़ मेरे वीडियो को लाइक और कमेंट और शेयर भी करना, और इस चैनल को थम्स अप भी देना, इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी करना, सो यू कैन बी अ पार्ट ऑफ माई फैमिली, राइट? सो दिस इज़ द लिप ग्लॉस विच इज़ द लास्ट आइटम इन द हॉल. दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स. न्यूड है and the color is like this, which is very gorgeous. I'm wearing this right now, so you can see how it looks on my skin. This is very beautiful. You guys need to take a hand, like you guys need to grab this. If you are on sale, you need to grab this one, trust me. And when Nykaa is having a sale, Nykaa is definitely gonna give you a good deal, right? So that's it for today, and it's a wrap. So I'll be back soon with a new video again, and तब तक के लिए please अपना ध्यान रखना. और so guys, that's it for today and it's a wrap. We are done, and I know the haul थोड़ा बड़ा हो गया था, but then please bear with me. I'm not posting that much. I know I'm not giving much time in my channel. I regret it. I also feel bad, but I'm gonna be trying to post more video in this channel, and I'm gonna be trying to be more active. So if you guys like this video, do not forget to hit a like button. Also comment if you want to see any other thing. Obviously, if you want to see the product review and anything, I will be posting that soon, and you can also comment what all things that you want to see again, okay? And self-love is the first love that you should do. So yeah, and I'll be back soon. So I love you guys and take care. Hope and subscribe to my channel, okay?